Hello guys, today we are starting the second lecture of Python tutorial and I'm going from basic to the very advanced level. So I will start from the string today now. Strings. String in Python are surrounded by either a single quote mark or double question mark. Like hello. Here you can see here this one. Beside hello, you see this quote. This quote is the key feature while writing the strings. Like hello it's the same as hello, yeah. And single quote, double quote, both represent the same thing, which is the string. Yeah. You can display a string literally with the print function, which is the built-in function. In the previous lecture, I told you that what is the built-in function. So, okay, so this is the example here. Well, let me do it for you. See, if I write hello, Sachin, and I put hello, Sachin here and run. See, here there is a double quote and it's a single quote, but still they both are getting printed. Yes. So whether it's single quote, double quote, the string will be printed. Now quotes inside quotes. Here, yeah, you can write too many things in a single quote. For example, here the he is called Johnny. So he is also in a quote, and John is also in a quote. For Johnny, we use the single quote, and for writing he is called a Johnny comprised both the things. We put the double quote. Assigning a string to a variable. Assigning a string to a variable is done with the variable name followed by an equal sign and the string. Here, how to assign a variable. This is the same way in which we used to assign the integers. So a is equal to hello. So this is the actually the same way in which we used to assign the uh, string sets and which we assign the list. In same way, we also assign the integer and string. Multi-line string, yeah, you can put it in a many lines also. For that you can use the three quotes here. Yeah, same thing. Now string are arrays. Like many other popular programming languages, a string in Python are arrays of Unicode character. However, Python does not have a character data type. A single character in simply a string with a length of 1, a square bracket, can be used to access elements of the string. Yes, square bracket can be used to access element of the string. For example, here see a is equal to hello world, right? Here you can see a is equal to hello world. Print a, and in a square bracket like this, we put 1. It it says that 1 second. It says that we want to print the index number 1. You know that, right? The index start from the 0 to n minus 1. So if this is one index, it's more probably be e. Yes, e, yes. Then looping through a string. Since the string are array, we can loop through the character in a string with a for loop. Loop through the letters in a words banana. For x in banana, print x. So see the result. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana. If you want to put that thing in a same way like this, you have to do is type in there, give equal marks, then this, then this. See if it's work. See, banana in a single line using and. String length. We can use the word length to access the length of the string. Len and parentheses, which is the built-in function. Check a string. For checking the string, we use the membership, which will come in the next lecture. So this is the membership program inside. Use it is an if statement. You can also use string with if statement. Check. So for checking it, we use the in. For example, like text. The best thing in the life are free. Print. Expensive, not in text. This is the syntax. So is it true? Yeah, it is true. True. Expensive is not in the string. Now, print only if expensive is not present. So this is the common sense type of question. Leave it. What will be the result of the following code? X equal to welcome. Print X index number 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. C will be the answer. Print C and C it. Yes, correct answer. Use the length function to print the length of the string. Print len x this. Get the first character of the string txt. What is the first character? Which is he, h. So for that, we'll put txt square bracket, and we'll put 0 for accessing the first command. See if it is true or not. Yeah, true. Text 0. Answer right. Exercise Python strings. Text equal to the best thing in a life are free. If free is if free in sorry in text. Correct. So these are the basics question which you will not get in any exam, but score, so we have to do. Now slicing of the string. What is slicing? Same thing. Slicing means accessing the part of a string, means sub part of a string. For example, it's a hello world, but I want to print just from LLO to the WOR. So for that we have to use this type of the code. B from 2 to 5. So 0, 1, 2, 2 from L, start from L, O, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, W. But one most important thing is that the last character will be not be included here. Means index number 5 will not be included here. Let me show you this. See, LLO, no W, but W is at number 5, but it's not there. Now what? See, now let's check the next thing. Slice from the start. Put nothing and till what you want to print. Slice to the end. Put something and nothing to the end. For but example, last digit or last index number will be -1. Know that because you will use this code in many ways. For example, if the code contain last number, like if programming question want
that you give the last number of the code. So you will not count from 1 to last. No, you have to start from -1. So -1 means the last character of the string. These are the basic question and homework for you. Modifying a string. Yeah, for modifying a string, we can use the upper and parentheses. Return the string in uppercase. A help hello world. Print a dot hello upper. It shows the upper letter. Like this will be all be in upper letter. Like first letter will be in upper, not all. Oh sorry, all will be in upper. Similarly lower. See here, lowercase. It's used for making it lower. For example, see here. Every word is in a small letter or lower. You can say in lower way. Now remove white space. White space is the space before and or after the actual text, and very often you want to remove this space. The strip and parenthesis method remove any white space from the beginning or the end. So removing the space, you need this. Let's do it. This is so important. Stripe. For example, we are putting hello world, but we have given the space before writing hello and after the world, right? But we don't want that in here, so we'll put a strip, so it will remove every extra white space from the thing. For example, let's write something else, Sachin, and we give this much of a space, but after running this, see, we're getting it in a simpler way, not with that much of a space. But what if I remove a strip and print only a? See the distance between this is the blue part distance. And if you want to get it visually more practically, then it would be easier to do this. See, the hello world printed here and the distance between them is here, but when you put a dot strip parenthesis again, then see here, the starting part, the ending part, all start from here. There is no space between this. If you are talking about this space is due to here this program. This is in between a space, not the starting and ending space. So like this, print it. Yes, see the answer. I hope you got the difference. Now replacing a string. For replacing this, we use the replace and parenthesis built-in function, which is used to replace the string. For example, hello world. A dot replace H and J. See the example. Replace H with J. If I say replace W with S, and if I write two command here, print A dot replace parenthesis be put replace E with N. See, So it's working very clearly with n replacement. I hope it's clear to you. Next, move to the next topic, which is a split string. This is so important and so interesting, by the way. You have to learn this in any way. You have to learn this. Don't worry, I will not go this slow all this lecture. The string is so important, so that's why I'm going slowly in the string part. But after that, I will move it like an Rajdhani Express. So don't worry about that. Don't worry about the time. But it will be from basic to the very advanced. Okay. Split dot string method returns a split where the text between the specified separated becomes the list items. For example, the split parenthesis method split the string into substrings if it's found in instanced of the separator. For example, see here. See, it's replaced this part, it's got this part, the space between here. See, so it's so simple. The split parenthesis method returns a list where the text between the specified separator become the list item. So it convert basically it's convert into the list. This is the simplest way you can learn this. See here, a hello world, right? If we turn this in a dot split and put this, we'll get here the string. Sorry, list. The conversion from list to a string split. For example, if I remove this thing, then what? See, there's no any space, but it's still in a form of list. So this was so important. You have to learn this string method exercise. What is the correct sentence to print the string in uppercase? Welcome dot upper. Next question. It would be the lowercase. Return the string without any white space at the beginning of the end. What is the command for that? That is strip txt dot strip and this parenthesis. See the answer? Yes, same. Convert the value of text to uppercase. This is so easy. Txt dot upper and parenthesis. Lowercase. Same. Txt dot lower parenthesis. Hello world. Replace the character H with J. Simple. Replace character H with J, right?